That's my thought on a Cinderella story. So let's get over to it. We have the Dow Jones all the way across the board right through here. They're up, and I think the S&P just might have hit another record high. We got oil up to $68 a barrel. It was $66 yesterday. We don't like this. We need this at 65 or below. The question is why? Well, this is a huge piece of inflation. So if this number goes to 70, 75, you're going to see inflation ticking up, and that's going to spook the markets. So we need to keep control over oil. In this area here, you can see the bond market is down just a little bit. Let's go see what cryptocurrency is doing. It's down to 118. What happened yesterday? There was a crypto bill that passed legislation. It'll be signed by the president, I think, today or tomorrow. So you're going to most likely see these indices up across the board. Look, Ethereum's up 5. You might want to look at Ethereum, folks, and we'll talk about that next week on Stock Talk Tuesday. And then all the cryptocurrencies across the board are up and away. But what are you here for? You're here for these things. So here's what's going on in the bond market, folks. Right now, today, the news that we have based on the headlines that I went over, we have the MBS market up 13 ticks. So let me explain to you how this works. So if you're new to the channel, here's how we focus in on mortgage rates. A lot of people focus in, even if you watch mainstream media, they're going to say, well, watch the 10-year Treasury, and if it's going down, mortgage rates are going to go down. Well, that's kind of accurate, but if you want to really get accurate, well, watch my channel on a daily basis or focus in on the MBS market. This is a mortgage bond that trades on Wall Street. The yield on this thing is the biggest component of your mortgage rate. So if you follow this bond, you'll know what's going on. So how you focus in on this is if the bond price is going up like we've seen earlier today, and then it took a little bit of a blip there, but it's coming back. If the price is going up, that's great news. Prices go up, yields come down. Okay, prices up, yields down. So if prices go down, yields are going to be up. What I mean by yields? Rates. So if this rallies up, that means mortgage rates are getting better. A 12 tick will pull out a little bit on this. So we'll be at 6.8 today, maybe a little bit lower. So if you're out there looking to buy or refinance, I'd love to be able to help you.